Hey, what's going on? Musty Game Dev. I'm here with another video. We love games and game development. And this is going to be a short, very short video. No intro, no outro. I'll come with a full video next week. Just super tired from the long weekend, the holiday here in the US. But I've been seeing online like this little marketing video for the world's desktop editor. And so I thought I'd try out what they do in the video. And in the video, they use the AI tools with a prompt here. And I guess we'll set this here code and act. That's what we'll do. Now they have some example prompts here, but we're actually just gonna go right in here and type in a prompt. Generate a trampoline that looks like an inflatable, sorry, my typing is super slow, I'm sorry. Inflatable box. It should launch the player upwards by a certain force and angle. Position it behind the starting pad. Now, I don't think I have a starting pad. I ripped this straight out of their marketing video. I want to see if this works for me, and if you want to follow along, you can. Again, the world's desktop editor is a free game engine. You can download it right now today and have it ready to go, honestly, within like a minute, honestly, if your computer's fast enough, and your internet connection's fast enough as well. If not, it'll probably take like 5 minutes. It's really quick and easy. So we have generated trampoline. It looks like an inflatable box. It should launch the player upwards by a certain force and angle. Position it behind the starting pad. So we're just gonna try this out. I'm gonna hit generate. And now the AI assistant is working. And this is probably going to take some time. I mean, it's code generation, so it really shouldn't, but I guess it's also got to create like some assets. Oh, this is interesting. I can do that. Okay, see, it's not as fast as the marketing video. The marketing video was like, boom, and we're there, right? So that's what I want to do in my own video. I can do that. I'll create a trampoline that looks like an inflatable box and launches players into the air. I'll place it just behind the starting area for you. First, I'll look for an asset that resembles an inflatable box. Okay, I found an asset. Cool. Great. I found an asset that looks like an inflatable box. Now, I'll create the script that will launch players into the air when they jump onto it. Okay. Thank you. This is what AI does, or generative AI. It informs us, the large language model informs us about what it's doing, which is nice. So this is the starting point. This is our avatar position. Let's click over here. There we go. There's a script, trampoline launch in TypeScript. The script for the trampoline is ready. Now I will set up the inflatable box in your world. Place a trigger on it and apply the launch script. I'll position it behind the starting area as you requested. Yeah, this is crazy because I haven't even seen this in the Unity AI tools. It's not just creating the script for you, but it's going to create the asset and then attach the script, like obviously like a component attachment in Unity. There it is. There's our asset. That's crazy. I've placed inflatable box, added the launch mechanism, and positioned it behind the starting area. Now you have, but it's obviously this is where we have to help the AI a little bit. It's obviously a little too high there. But that's not bad. That is not bad. And it looks cool. That's a nice asset. Ooh, whoops. Okay, there we go. E for up. Something went wrong. Try again. Uh-oh. All set. I have successfully created the inflatable trampoline. It's positioned behind the starting pad and will launch players upward and toward and forward when they jump on it. It's ready for you to try out. All right, they say it's ready. Let's click on it. Let's make sure we click on it. There we go. And we're going to hit move, click move, or you can also, so you go W. There you go. Now it looks like it's upside down. Oh, okay, never mind. There it is. Okay, that was a little confusing. All right, so let's move it here and then down here. That's a little, got positioned just right. Actually, because what I was, well, let's just test out. I'll just put it here just to test out, and then we can move around, do some game design. This is pretty cool. I like this asset. This is nice. This looks very nice. A little higher, maybe? Oh, what am I doing? Okay, here we go. There we go. I just wanted a little higher. All right. Just a little higher. Just a little higher. Good old Lando. All right, we'll put it there. Looks pretty centered to the player. Let's preview this. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, and I that fell. That's pretty cool. Oh, I gotta try this out in VR now. Yeah, I'm pressing 2 forward there. There we go. Oh, that's actually, okay. That's pretty cool. That's actually pretty cool. So hit escape twice to get out of preview mode. All right. So I don't want it there from a game design perspective. So let's click on trampoline here, and let's look at this game object here. So we have the attributes: the position, rotation, scale, behavior, gameplay tags. We're not using any tags yet, but we will use them in the future. And then let's see, where's the script? So this looks like just an empty game object, just kind of hold everything. Then we have here the inflatable obstacle course floor. Not sure what that is. Might be the actual 3D asset here, and then the trampoline trigger. Oh, okay, so they have a trigger, like a trigger box here, and then they attach the script here. That's interesting. So let's edit the script just to look at the code here for a quick second. I wonder what that's about. Okay. Import component, prop types, vectory, player, code block events, horizon core, trampoline launch, launch velocity. Now, in the future, I need to learn how to do this. I'm sure it's pretty simple, but there should be a way for me to make these like public so you can actually edit this within the editor. Oh, I mean, actually, you can do it right here. 15Y and 5 into Z. Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay, so then we have the start here. Connect code block event. We looked at this, or no, I don't know if we looked at this before. Anyways, the player, launch player. So on player enters trigger, launch player, and then set velocity. Now that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. All right, so let's see. Can we go a little higher? Let's go 25. And a little farther, let's go 5 in the Z. Let's see. And then we'll hit play. Yeah! Oh, I feel powerful. Look at that. That's like flight, man. Oh, shoot. I fell all the way on the other side of the building. That is so cool. Oh, that's awesome. Yes, sir. Oh, I like that. I like that. All right. Well, that was pretty successful. I'm going to mess around with this from a game design perspective. I'll have another update later in a video either next week, but I do need to get back to the UFN and my project in there. But most likely I have a video about this next week, or if not the week after, because again, I need to make some UFN content. Need to get back to Unreal and Fortnite. But that was really cool. So hopefully we all learned something there from just a code perspective. This was very simplistic, and I really liked it. They did a good job. I like this TypeScript. Like, it just makes it so much easier. And the generative AI tool worked. I didn't have to change or modify any of the code. It just worked right off the bat. I had to change the position of the asset, and that was pretty much it. So, all right. Well, that's it. Take care.